Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make peanut butter snowballs. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Well, here we are, the last episode of 2025. It's been quite a year. We've made everything from butterbeer fudge to gourmet popcorn, and we've shared both massive successes and a few spectacular failures along the way. But through it all, y'all stuck around, and I really appreciate that. As we head into the new year, I thought I'd do something simple and I think fun. It's been a long time since I've played in the snow, but that doesn't mean we can't make snowballs right here in the Candy Kitchen. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own peanut butter snowballs, along with suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 3/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/4 cup of room temperature unsalted butter, 1½ cups of powdered sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 12 ounces of white melting chocolate, and some white shimmer sugar. Shimmer sugar. I love saying that. Shimmer sugar, shimmer sugar, shimmer sugar. I also used a mixing bowl, a fork, a spatula, a scoop, a lined cutting board, and some precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. In a medium mixing bowl, use a fork to cream together the butter and peanut butter. Add the vanilla extract and mix to combine. Gradually add the powdered sugar, mixing carefully until it starts to come together, then knead it with your hands until it forms a soft, pliable dough. This is a great recipe for kids, especially the part where they get to play with the dough. If the dough feels too soft or sticky, add a little more powdered sugar. If it's too dry, add a little more peanut butter. Scoop some dough and form it into a ball. Place it on a lined cutting board and continue with the rest of the dough. Put the dough balls in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes to help them firm up and make dipping easier. Microwave the white melting chocolate according to the package directions, remove a few balls from the refrigerator, and drop a ball into the melted chocolate. Fully coat it, let the excess drain, then return it to the cutting board and immediately sprinkle it with white shimmer sugar. Repeat with the remaining balls, working in small batches so they stay cold. When they're all coated and sparkly, put them in the refrigerator for 10 minutes or until the chocolate is completely set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. You know what? This is exactly what I was hoping for. There's a little snap from the chocolate, the peanut butter center is soft and creamy, and the shimmer sugar doesn't just give that wintry crystal appearance, it adds a brittle crunch that really does feel like crunching on bits of ice. As far as flavor, the peanut butter and white chocolate work together to give that nutty sweetness that some people just can't get enough of. These are simple, they're fun, they're festive, and they're the kind of thing kids will be proud to say that they helped make. If you're looking for an easy treat to ring in the new year, you really ought to try these. Before I sign off for the year, I want to say thank you to all of my faithful confectionery compadres. This channel wouldn't exist without your support, your encouragement, and your willingness to try these recipes and share the results with me. You've made 2025 a wonderful year. And I'm looking forward to making more candy with you in 2026. Here's to the happiest of New Year's. Stick around. If you decide to make your own, it's doing so well.